Hey pool peeps, is spending your summer days wrestling with a skimmer net your idea of fun? NOWA. This year, ditch the manual labor and dive into crystal clear bliss with the ultimate pool cleaning machines. Robotic pool cleaners. But with so many robotic pool cleaners on the market, how do you choose the champion for your backyard oasis? Fear not, fellow floaties. We've scoured the web, tested the tech, and are ready to reveal the top 10 best robot pool cleaners of 2024. From budget-friendly bots to feature-packed powerhouses, we've got a cleaner for every pool and every pocketbook. Number 10. Aper Seagull Southeast. Looking for a powerful clean without a hefty price tag? The Aper Seagull Southeast might be your perfect pool pal. This little guy tackles dirt, debris, and even leaves with ease, all for a fraction of the cost of some high-end models. Sure, it might lack some fancy features, but for a no-frills, water-conscious cleaning champion, the Seagull Southeast soars. Number 9. Dolphin Escape. If your backyard paradise features an above-ground pool, you need a cleaner specifically designed for its unique challenges. The Dolphin Escape tackles those pesky walls and tight corners with aplomb, ensuring your entire pool gets a sparkling clean, no matter its shape or size. Number 8. Polaris Sport. For the tech-savvy pool owner, the Polaris Sport is a dream come true. This app-controlled wonder allows you to monitor cleaning cycles, schedule cleanings, and even steer the robot remotely. Plus, its advanced navigation ensures your pool gets a meticulously planned clean, leaving no spot untouched. Number 7. Aper Seagull Pro. Living in a yard overflowing with autumn leaves, the Aper Seagull Pro comes to the rescue. This powerful cleaner boasts superior suction and a fine debris filter, making it the ultimate weapon against those pesky fall foliage invaders. Number 6. Dolphin Nautilus CC+. Imagine a robot pool cleaner that consistently delivers a sparkling clean without breaking the bank. That's the beauty of the Dolphin Nautilus CC+. This mid-range marvel tackles dirt, debris, and even that stubborn algae with its dynamic duo of scrubbing brushes. And unlike some of its heavier competitors, the Nautilus CC+ is a lightweight champion, making it easy to maneuver in and out of the pool. Plus, its intelligent navigation system ensures your pool gets a meticulously planned cleaning pattern, leaving no hidden dirt devils behind. Number 5. Polaris VRX IQ+. For the tech-obsessed pool owner who craves the ultimate in pool cleaning innovation, the Polaris VRX IQ+ is the undisputed king of the castle. This feature-packed powerhouse boasts enough bells and whistles to make your head spin. Imagine controlling your pool cleaner from the comfort of your lounge chair with a user-friendly app. Feeling adventurous? Customize cleaning cycles to target specific areas or schedule a deep clean before your next pool party. And when it's time to store your robotic pool hero, the VRX IQ+ even comes with its very own caddy, eliminating the struggle of finding a designated spot for this champion cleaner. But the best part? This aquatic athlete isn't all about fancy features. It packs a serious punch with dual motors that propel it around your pool with impressive efficiency. Number 4. Dolphin Explorer E50. View in a sprawling in-ground pool that seems to swallow up any cleaning attempt. Fear not, for the Dolphin Explorer E50 has arrived to vanquish your grimy foes. This feature-rich robot is specifically designed to conquer even the largest and most challenging pools with unwavering determination. Its powerful dual motors propel it through the water with impressive speed and efficiency, while its advanced navigation system ensures every inch of your pool gets a good going over. But the Explorer E50 doesn't stop at the floor. Oh no! This wall-climbing wonder tackles even the most vertical surfaces, leaving no algae oasis untouched. And to truly achieve sparkling perfection, it even cleans the waterline, ensuring a uniform shine from top to bottom. Number 3. Aper Seagull 1000. Just because your pool isn't an Olympic-sized venue doesn't mean it deserves a second-rate clean. The Aper Seagull 1000 is here to prove that size doesn't matter when it comes to cleaning power. This compact hero is specifically designed for smaller pools, ensuring every square inch gets a thorough scrubbing. Don't be fooled by its pint-sized stature. The Seagull 1000 packs a powerful punch when it comes to cleaning efficiency. Its agile design allows it to navigate tight corners and maneuver around obstacles with ease, leaving no grimy hideouts for algae and debris. So, if you have a smaller pool but dream of big-time cleanliness, the Aper Seagull 1000 is your mighty aquatic might. Number 2. Polaris 7000. Does your pool resemble a work of modern art with intricate curves and unusual shapes that leave traditional cleaning methods frustrated and flailing? The Polaris 7000 is your champion. This highly maneuverable robot is a master of navigating even the most complex pool layouts. Think narrow channels, tight corners, and unexpected angles. The Polaris 7000 tackles them all with impressive grace. Its secret weapon: a unique design that allows it to turn on a dime and navigate even the trickiest obstacles. Plus, its powerful pressure cleaning system tackles even the toughest debris, leaving your intricately designed pool looking like it just stepped out of a magazine. Number 1. Dolphin Nautilus CC Supreme. And finally, the moment you've all been waiting for. The number 1 robot pool cleaner of 2024. Drumroll please. The crown goes to the Dolphin Nautilus CC Supreme. This top-tier titan combines all the best features you could dream of in a robotic pool cleaner. Imagine a machine that delivers powerful cleaning performance, effortlessly climbs walls, meticulously scrubs all surfaces, and even allows you to control it from your phone with a user-friendly app. Feeling a bit more hands-on? No problem. The Nautilus CC Supreme also comes with a remote control for targeted cleaning on specific areas. If you demand the absolute best for your pool, the Nautilus CC Supreme is the undisputed champion. This aquatic athlete leaves the competition in its dust, leaving your pool sparkling from floor to ceiling and ready for endless summer fun. There you have it, folks. The top 10 robot pool cleaners of 2024. No matter your pool size, budget, or cleaning needs, there's a perfect robotic pool cleaner out there waiting to transform your backyard into a sparkling oasis. For more information on these amazing robotic pool cleaners, or to find the perfect fit for your pool, check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more pool care tips and tricks. Happy swimming! ****.